Welcome to Penguins Wanderlust. Hold on a sec. Make the stupid truck go away. Like, really? Oh, he's getting stuck. Oh my god.
What?
Go. He's unstuck. Oh, he's trying to back up to get the trailer.
Yeah.
Oh my god, he's going to be in trouble. Okay. Anyway, welcome to Penguins Wanderlust. This is such a bad time to be doing this. Fuck. Take two. Welcome to Penguins Wanderlust. Today, penguin down.
We need a retake.
Is he okay?
This is awful. We have the penguin down. Go. Okay. We're still recording, right?
Yeah, whatever.
Well, you're gonna edit this part out.
My fingers have too much sand on them for the keys to work on this. Okay, we're good. So, welcome to Penguins Wanderlust. Finally, we had to help the neighbor get their truck unstuck from the sand dunes here. A little dicey. Anyway, this is Penguin, Penny, and Penguin. And this is Timekeeper. Show,
Hi, Timekeeper.
display the time
I am the
piece.
keeper of the time, and
Yeah.
that is my Wasteland nickname because I am the keeper of the time.
And this is Albatross because he wanders. And he has, for his bag, he has this lovely ornamented keeper of the shark. Because we are the Seagull clan and we are fisher persons. And he has a teapot because you never know when you need to have a teapot. And a fishing bauble.
I left all my fishing balls.
And here is the little crow feather from the Samote tribe. And yeah, so people are leaving. Oh yeah, we have our little Seagull clan patch there. And so, Timekeeper has never had Canadian Smarties. Have you had any Smarties?
Never. I have never had Smarties
American
in my
Smarties
life.
either?
I
So
am
she's going to have
excited.
Smarties because apparently in the States they call rockets Smarties just to confuse people. And yesterday's interview with Firebird, he documented the difference between Canadian Smarties, which are good, and European Smarties, which are bad.
See, they come in different
The
colors.
Canadian Smartie advertisement used to say, do you eat the red ones last? Or do you eat the red ones first?
I just ate it first.
I eat them last because they're the best ones. So what
They're
do you
pretty
think?
good. They're crunchy.
They're a little bit like M&Ms.
They're like M&Ms.
A little bit.
Except the chocolate is better. It's not as bitter.
So there you have it, an American's take on Canadian Smarties.
Pretty good.
Oh, yeah. So this is our last few moments at Wasteland Weekend in the Mojave Desert. And we have witnessed... Witness!
Wait.
Come on! Witness! Many people getting stuck in the sand dunes trying to get out. So with a little trepidation, we will be heading to that road ourselves. The road in here was bad enough that one of the Samote tribe had a panic attack. So hopefully, since we're leaving after about 100 or so vehicles, we will, or 1,000 maybe vehicles, hopefully we will not have problems on the road where it goes like that. It's very rutted. It's a long 5 miles at 5 miles. But it's another beautiful day in the desert, and the penguins are very happy to have come here. They were very excited to find out that the Thunderdome wristbands, see this is a Wasteland Weekend one, the ones for fighting in Thunderdome were penguins, black and white penguins. And I talked to a travel blogger yesterday, and he had one of these penguin bracelets, and he got told by Thunderdome that penguins are goth, aren't they? So, because they're black and white. Yeah, so totally, the penguins agree. So, Timekeeper, what was your favorite part?
Oh, there were so many. Favorite part would have to be the Warboys up on stage. There was about maybe 8 of them, and they were saying, "We live, we die, we live again." That was my favorite.
Cool.
And we counted 110 sightings of Warboys this week.
Yes, we did. We were counting Warboys
There was
Probably about 15.
and Wargirls.
yeah. There were a bunch of them on the city wall at all times.
Yeah, it was very fun.
Yeah.
They had a Warboy camp, and there was also Wargirls, and we also caught a Wargirl in the Thunderdome fighting. She beat the guy. We loved it. She was definitely the crowd favorite.
Yeah, and last night we took in DJ Humongous battling against DJ
Immortan
Joe. That's really hard to remember. Sort of like Immortal, only it's Immortan. But anyway, they were really good. That was a lot of fun. And there have been fire dancers, there's been burlesque, there's been drag shows, there's been tons of workshops. There's been just so much to do here. It's been like a great 5 days. Really enjoyed it. Didn't see it all. There was a lot to see.
Yeah, we saw the memorial. There's a memorial for the fallen Wastelanders of the year. That was really touching.
It's up the hill.
Yep, up the hill, and saw someone get hurt. They're definitely medical. There's a medical tent. Yeah, I mean, exciting.
What would you like to add?
Tyrannosaurus versus shark in the
Oh, right.
Thunderdome.
Yes!
I missed that. That would have been fun.
The
And
best
in the first swing,
Thunderdome
the
fight.
Tyrannosaurus' head was imploded by the shark.
Well, that's horrible. That's just horrible. Did they get yanked off?
No.
No, it was an inflatable Tyrannosaurus suit and a onesie shark suit.
Oh.
The
We
shark.
feel sad for the dinosaur.
No, I don't feel sad. It was awesome. It was awesome. His head fell back. He was fine. It imploded.
Oh dear. Anything else? I guess we should head out. We don't know where we're heading, but we should probably head out of this piece of the desert and go see if we can find California City, which eluded us on the way in.
The
because there
imaginary
are,
unicorn of cities.
Yeah, the unicorn of cities, because there's actually showers there. So I think we may go there and shower and make up our mind which direction we're going in. So